English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Accurately, clinic, disadvantage. Accurately. Accurately is an adverb. B1 learners usually know accurately. Accurately describes something that is done correctly, without mistakes. Here are some examples. It's hard to remember accurately what I was doing 10 years ago. She was able to accurately identify the thief, and so he was arrested. Unlike some newspapers, with this one we can be sure that the news is accurately reported. Clinic. Clinic is a noun. B1 learners usually know clinic. One meaning of clinic refers to a local medical centre or a hospital department. Here are some examples. He goes for regular physiotherapy at the clinic. You can Google the address of the clinic for your appointment. They hold regular clinics at the hospital for people with poor balance. Disadvantage. Disadvantage is a noun. B1 learners usually know disadvantage. A disadvantage is a negative point, a downside, a difficulty. Here are some examples. The opposite of a disadvantage is an advantage. In that sense, the newcomers were at a disadvantage. There were more advantages than disadvantages. Now write some of your own sentences with accurately, clinic and disadvantage. Download the free B1 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.